I made a kiwi hot sauce recently with no fermenting involved and it truly buzzed. So now we're making one that literally no one has asked for, tropical hot sauce. We're using pineapple, mango and passion fruit for this one, so remove the skin from that spiky bastard and dice it into chunks. Cut the cheeks off a mango, do the classic crisscross turn inside out and remove all the fruit from the skin. Then half that passion fruit and scoop out all that delicious pulp. Place a pan on the heat and add that pineapple, mango and passion fruit, along with some finely sliced chilies, seeds and all, and a little chopped garlic. Add some salt and sugar to the pan, followed by some white wine vinegar and a little water. Bring everything to the boil, then cover with a lid and simmer for 15 minutes or until the chilies and the fruit are soft. Once cooked, place into a blender along with a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice, then blitz everything together until bright orange and silky smooth. Sieve to remove all those crunchy seeds, and that's it. A fruity tropical number that's ready to bottle and give to your hot sauce loving bestie. Of course, I had to give it a test run, so I heated it up with a little bit of butter, covered some chicken wings, and went to town on those tangy bastards. Try this one out because it's the best yet, and I am not exaggerating. Make that sauce, coat those wings, and don't forget to like and follow.